Can we please just, like, actually get the Steam frame? Like, please. Because as time goes on, the price tag's only gonna go higher. And we already know that the Qualcomm chip that is actually powering the Steam frame is gonna be doubling in price sometime later this year. And if that's the case, it's just gonna increase the price of the Steam frame in a long-term, vacuum. So if that's the case, just get out as many units as you can for as cheap as you can so that we can actually be able to afford this. Now, right now, the current expectations is it's going to cost $1,100 for the Steam frame, which it is what it is with most things nowadays. We're kind of just used to this. And if that's the case, then you're looking at it versus like the Meta Quest 3, which is $600. I say 600 because it's always going up in price as well. All things are going up in price. And then the next thing on the list would be the Galaxy, Samsung's Galaxy headset, which is around $2,000. The what do they call that? The Apple Vision Pro, which is $3,400. So again, $1,100 isn't like the craziest asking price, but if they keep waiting to actually release this, that asking price might just continue to go up to a point where it is crazy to ask for anything. Anyway, though, Valve has received yet another Steam frame shipments to its U.S. warehouse. We saw the same concept happen with the Steam Machine, so this is not too surprising, but this is a very good sign. This means that they are getting shipments. This means that eventually we're going to see potentially a release date. Now, the 30th anniversary for Valve, I believe, is August 24th. So maybe that's the day that we get something revealed, right? Maybe. But this is a total now of 22 shipments to the U.S. warehouse. So there's going to be a lot more shipments before this gets released. So, kind of keep the expectations at a low for that reason. But I just want some positive news of this being actually revealed because this is something I want to buy. And of course, as long as the price tag is okay, because I wanted to get the Steam Machine, but once I saw the price tag, I said, "Oh no." Although I did actually did the email thing, I put myself in the queue. I haven't gotten the email yet, so it's like at this point, at first I wanted to buy the Steam Machine, then I saw the price tag and said no, but I still put myself in the queue just in case I change my mind, and I still haven't even gotten an email yet. Which, based on what I've seen from other reviewers, it takes forever to get an email for the Steam Machine. So I wouldn't be surprised if I don't get one till like December time period. By that time, I don't even know. By that time, the price tag might go up on the Steam Machine as well. So we've also seen hand-on videos with the headset, which is technically true. We've seen glimpses of it. The headset also has over 50 verified games to its name, although it's still no sign of release date from Valve. Which again, yes and no. I feel like there's a lot of games that are VR ready on Steam, and they're probably going to work with the VR headset because they work with the Quest 3. They work with other headsets, VR headsets that are already out there. So it's not like this headset's going to be that much different in the context of it's going to have to run a certain way or it can't run certain games. It's going to be able to run most games that are already, running on other VR headsets. So that's the positive thing in the end. And a lot of this is coming in here from Steam hardware updates, which he was correct in the past about things. So that's kind of where a lot of this stuff is. I know I shortcut or whatever, the shortcut.com. Is this a reliable source? Not really, but this person is just compiling information that's posted around the web. So while yes, this is not like the most, I don't know if I trust this source 100%, but I do trust the Steam hardware updates. And this person is just kind of regurgitating all the information that Steam hardware updates, as it says right here, is posting. So just a nice little place to put it all together. I'll leave a link down below in the description to this article by Reese here. So yeah, listen, I'm optimistic. I think if they're going to release it on a certain day, it would make sense to release it on your 30th anniversary, because that would be just kind of cool and dope, like, oh, hey, look, we got the Steam frame 30th anniversary. Also gives them more time to get more shipments into America, into the warehouses. So it makes sense on that front too. But see you guys next one.